Hi, this is Dr. Mohammed Tukir Ahmed from our centre here in Harley Street. Wanted to introduce a really interesting piece of equipment. We've got our hair and scalp analyzer. In addition, we have our LED therapy for hair rejuvenation as well. So in addition to the extensive profile of treatments which involves carboxytherapy, PRP Ultra, PRP Ultra Plus, stem cell conditioned media, exosomes therapy, we're now also in addition able to offer LED therapy for stimulating the hair follicles and to do subjective analysis of the hair and scalp, where we can take pictures, analyze the density and the depth of the hair. So what we've got here is we have done a hair analysis. We have the scalp and we can check the density of the hair. And what we did do was here, and we're able to plug in our density here. And this gives us a density in square centimeters, hairs per square centimeter. And if we look at it, that's coming as a very low density. The follicle number and the evaluation shows us it's a very low density. So we then are able to give a treatment plan to improve this density, to then analyze the scalp and analyze to see how much of an improvement we've had in the density. In addition to this, one of the other key factors is what we can do is we've got measurement tools where we can actually measure the average diameter of each hair follicle. So what we have here is that the average diameter is 0.18 mm, which is a normal thickness of the hair. So the problem is not the thickness of the hair, the problem is that his density is low. And this is what we've got to look at. So in this particular region, his thickness is fine. And because we've taken spots and analysis from different areas, we will also analyze his, and over here on this area here, where we check the average, his average diameter is coming out to be fine, and fine is thin. So it's, we have very fine, normal and coarse, and his range is coming in to be on the fine. So at this part of this particular area of the scalp that we analyzed, the hair is thinner than normal. So what we want to do is we want to focus on not only increasing the density, but in certain areas also increasing the thickness of the hair as well. So with the tools in hand and the treatment programs, we can actually do an objective assessment and analysis of what we have with the hair. In addition, we're able to provide our hair regrowth and anti-hair loss system different types of lights which will stimulate the follicles in producing the energy that is required. So what happens is we are able to shed with red, yellow or blue light. It then sheds, it automatically will change and will give the appropriate light that's required to give hair rejuvenation.